Hello, my beautiful people in the house, my lovely people. Good evening, everybody. Good evening. And if you know you have not subscribed for our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and like our video and share our video. Thank you, everybody. I want to really talk about this lady who just died for Germany and the thing. It didn't just really tire me, really, because this one has just advice to people. So as we listen to that, our sister this evening, she can't really talk the main thing will really happen. So I beg my people, if una dey marriage, una see say the man dey threaten una say one day he go kill you, or I will blind you, or I go do this. I beg, no wait until when he go do am. Any man wey don dey threa ten you like that, if he do am one day, say we go dey reason am say na just smart. Maybe if una dey quarrel, if he tell you say I will kill you one day, I will do this. Abeg my people, more na not dey wait until wey that person go do am. More na run for una life, abeg. Na abeg we come dey beg because when I lis ten to the woman wey talk this evening, the thing just tire me really. You understand? Okay, this man, when they go meet, somebody go meet her for prison, say, wetin make am do this thing? He say, because he don't tell when he want kill the woman. He already plan am down. Say he want kill am. All the children when the woman born, according to the story, say the children not be him own. And now him with this woman, he come from Libya to enter Italy, from Italy come Germany. They did together. So how come the children with the woman come born not be your own man? He say the children not be your own. The children are for another person. The woman they go they bring belly from one side, come they born. I bet my people, I wanna look that story. I don't understand. I beg, wanna leave on a comment because really the story just really get as to be. You understand? Okay, you say not be you get the children, fine. And you dey with this woman for house. Okay, the wetin cause this problem now wey be say you take kill the woman. You say because the woman, even this December, na they plan say they wan go do marriage for Nigeria. You understand? Okay, the lady say according to the man, he say when the woman give am some money, when he supposed to, when they put for their account, whether they plan for their wedding, the money, they say they want to plan for their wedding, I don't know. So according to the man, he says so the woman can ask him the money, say I may give him small inside because he became when the Nigeria need one change school, so he need money to take solve some problem. He said the man say no, they give him lie. Say until when you go born your own pikin for him before you go give him the money. So the thing, the woman can say, give him, he need them. Because he pikin with the Niger, he need that money. He say, make the pikin go look for a papa. Say, they give him to where the woman go get belly for him. Before him go do what he supposed to do. So as the woman can say, this man really mean more. He don't really want to give him this money. As they come, they argue that this man just go bring knife. According to him, he said a new knife. Now knife when he go buy. When he want just to kill the woman. Like just stab her for neck. Just like that. And according to his friends, he said that's where the man don't threaten him. Say he go kill her one day. And really can't really do one. I beg my people. More not the wait, make the man fair do one. If you just notice any suspect, say this man, you want you start to beat you, run for your life. They not make 12 on us together. Not believe one be the man where they this world. I beg my people. I beg. Now I beg we call the beg. Even according to the woman today, I say I beg. If you know say you get any friend with the suffer for marriage, when the marriage not the work out, make una dey talk hard. More not they keep am again. More not they talk hard. I beg my people. All those silence, some people they are dying in silence. They are pretending, they are just pretending to themselves that like everything is okay, whereas everything is not okay. Please, my people, I beg. any woman will know say in the marriage will be say in so fight, so quarrel, no, the marriage not, you know, the work out, the beginning and fight. I beg, wetin not let you live now death that they end am. I don't see one that time when fight, even the man. At the end, he still kill the woman. You understand? I beg my people, now that I just want to advise our ladies. I beg. If you still say una dey marriage, you know, they work out more na leave the marriage. See the person where they even keep, see the man. You know, just just look that man. He even wants to even follow that kind of woman self to start with. We even see raise knife, they keep person. You know, I just pray, I will just pray, because the thing, just I really did touch it. And those children now, they don't go, the woman, their mother died. So children now don't turn to government, so they don't take them. So now only by the grace of God, now if you see the woman's sister or the brother, anybody will come say they relate to the woman, maybe they will go talk to them, they will give them the children, you know. Now let that one now. So I let that one just get to talking, my people. I beg more to share this video. Maybe people see them. I beg more to share them. More to really help me share this video. Really, me our ladies, may they see learn from this side. I beg. No problem, man. Thank you, everybody. Take care. Share my video and like my video, please. And subscribe, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Take care, everybody. Bye.